Mhm. This one. Ayusin. Ayusin. Gandahan. Okay, good job. Next is color blue. Get the color blue. Get the color blue. Next is blue. That is purple. No. This is blue. This is blue. Okay. Ibutang there ang green. Put it back the color green. Here. Put the color green here. The other one. This one. This one. Put it back. Put it back. Okay. Sige, next. Blue. Gandahan ang pagkakulay. Continue na. Go. Continue. Kailangan lang ni mo bunal ha. Dili ka mag-work kung walay bunal ha. Gandahan ang pagkakulay ha. Okay, very good. Next is indigo. Get the indigo. Where is indigo? Where's indigo? Oh, get the color indigo. Okay, good job. Indigo and purple. Indigo. This is indigo. This is violet. Okay, get the indigo. Now, sige, continue. Sige, color. Indigo. Ayusin ang pagkakulay. Ayusin po. Gandahan po. Very nice. Sige na, continue na. Continue na. Opo, continue na po. Indigo. Indigo. Bilisan na, Zainiel. Bilis. Ay, Continue. Yan, good job.
Yep.
Good job. Okay, next is violet. Get the color violet. Put it back the color indigo. Get the color violet. Okay, good job. Sige. Okay, go. Okay, finish na. Finish na. Finish. Yan, very good. Sige, go. Okay. Very, very good. So, sa sunod, andaman ta kabunal permanente, no? Kaya para mag-work ikaw sa imong activity. Andaman ta kabunal sunod, ha? Okay? Takot ikaw sa bunal? Ha? Bunalan ta kasunod, ha? Andaman ta kagbunal, ha? Okay. Ipakita mo ang iyong work. Pakita mo ang iyong work. This is my work. Okay. This is my work. Very nice ang work ng bata. Magbabay ka. Bye. See. Bye. Wala ka? Okay. Good job, Zainal.